Welcome to another Library 101 on school librarians and the North Dakota State Library. In this video, we're going to go over a couple of the key library services that school librarians should know about. Reference. The State Library offers reference services to librarians as well as to the public. The staff at the library is available to answer questions and help in finding materials Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. You can contact the reference department by phone or email. Questions will be answered in the order they are received, but the staff is prompt in replying to questions when they are able to. Make sure to include your contact information in any phone message or email you leave for the reference department in order for us to get back to you quickly. There's also an Ask a Librarian form on our webpage. This form can be found under our Services for Public and our Services for Government tabs. The submitted form is sent to the reference services email and will be responded to as soon as possible. Circulation. Because we send out so many different materials, it is important for you to know our circulation policies. Mailing procedures. Materials are sent out from the State Library and you are responsible for mailing them back. When mailing back materials, make sure that you are sending back the ones checked out to the school's library card. Do not send back ones that teachers have personally checked out. You are responsible for the cost of mailing items back to the state library. It is important that the contact information for the school librarian is kept up to date for these mailing purposes. Reference materials, loans, and policies. Unlike many libraries, we will check out our reference material for schools and public libraries. They check out like regular books, so that is a 4-week checkout period. The school can decide if a student can take the materials home or not. The state library will not dictate that. As always, the school is responsible for any lost or damaged material. Notices. Items circulate for 4 weeks for regular print and 8 weeks for large print materials. You will receive one notice through email that your book is coming due. You can renew items online through Odin, by email, or on the phone. You can only renew an item through Polaris, which is Odin's new OPAC, if your library is an Odin library. You can also only renew an item that does not have a hold on it. Once your item is overdue, you will receive an overdue notice. If the item is lost, you will be billed for the lost or damaged items. You'll need to pay for the replacement. If you find the item within 90 days and return it, you'll be refunded for that payment. Your school's record is blocked once you accrue $200 in charges. Interlibrary loan. Our interlibrary loan department will help you find books that your students and teachers want, but you don't own. We look in our own library first, then North Dakota, then nationally. We can request books, articles, audiobooks, CDs, DVDs, and other materials. We don't get to decide if you get the materials or not. The rules are made by the lending library. We just facilitate this. Talking books. The Talking Books program was created for individuals who are blind or are physically unable to read a traditional book. This program is provided to qualified residents in all 50 states and U.S. territories. To be considered a qualified user, they must have a competent authority, such as a doctor or a librarian, sign the application form before it is sent to the Talking Books department at the state library. Unfortunately, the program does not provide textbooks, but they can recommend services that provide audio textbooks for a fee. They can provide any classical literature books, though, for those who need them, such as ones that might be found in high school English classes. The books from this program can be downloaded onto an app on any smart device, or they can be listened to with a special player received from the department that has a place where the USB cartridge can be plugged in. If you have any questions on these services, please feel free to contact the Library Development Department at ndsltrain@nd.gov.